In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use pages in Tableau. If you're looking to visualize your data in a dynamic and interactive way, then you're in the right place. Let's walk through the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to open up your Tableau application. Whether you're working on a project for your job or a personal analysis, getting started is as easy as launching any other software on your computer. Once you have Tableau open, the next step is to access your worksheet. This is where all your data magic happens, so head over to the worksheet section within Tableau. Now that you're in your worksheet, it's time to start organizing your data. Begin by dragging category and subcategory into the rows section. This step helps categorize and subcategorize your data, which can make the information much easier to manage and analyze. Think of it as creating a clear structure that lays the groundwork for more detailed insights. Next, you'll want to drag sales to the text area. This action is crucial because it will allow Tableau to display your sales data as text in the view. Visual clarity is key when working with data, and this step will help ensure that your sales figures are prominently displayed and easy to read. Now, to make your visualizations even more informative, drag order date into the pages area. This is where the real magic of Tableau's pacing feature comes into play. By placing the order date here, you set the stage for viewing your data over time, helping to reveal trends or patterns you might not have noticed otherwise. Once you've completed that setup, look over to the right of your screen, where a new legend will appear. This legend acts as a helpful guide, showing you the context of your sales data as it changes over time. It gives you a snapshot of where your data points are, year by year or according to whatever time frame you set. Finally, it's time to explore this dynamic visualization. By clicking the arrow in the Pages shelf, you can seamlessly move through each year or time period. This feature is incredibly useful for presentations or reports as it allows your audience to see how your sales data changes, providing a narrative to the numbers. And there you have it. Using the Pages feature in Tableau is a fantastic way to add a temporal element to your data analysis, making it easier to spot trends over time and present your findings effectively. Thanks for joining us today, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of your Tableau experience. Until next time, happy analyzing.